Welcome back to another Test Stuff install tutorial. In this one, I'm going to be showing you how to install our gravity phone mount for Model 3 and Model Y. Now the dashboard for the Model 3 and Model Y are exactly the same, so the installation process is going to be exactly the same. Now one thing that you should know, and that we have stated on the store, is that this phone mount is only for Generation 2 dashboards. You're able to tell if you have a Generation 2 dashboard because this piece right here will be fully connected with the rest of the dash. If you have a Generation 1, this part right here will be its own separate part that can actually pop out. This is a Generation 2 dashboard. Now your phone mount actually comes with 3 pieces. The first piece being the actual dash mount, and we'll install this first. You're going to see a little hook right there. You're going to hook that up and under this, and then you're going to want to slide it a little bit to the left to get this little hook right here properly connected. And then from there, just slide. It is going to take a little bit of force. You'll see right here that you need to get this under this piece right here. You need to get it under this little foam part. And then there's another hook back here, and you're just going to slide, and you'll feel it click. And now it's ready. Now go ahead and grab the gravity phone mount. Push and squeeze on the silver part first, and then flip it over and unscrew this back part. From there, you're going to want to grab the third piece that came with your phone mount, and it's going to have a little ball on it. Push the ball into the back. It's going to take a little bit of force, but once it's in there, you're good. Now you're going to want to look and have the back facing like this. Go ahead, line it up with this rail, push down, and you can actually have this set at tiers. So you can have it lower or higher. We'll just bring it down about right there, and then you can twist and turn it. And of course, if you want to adjust the tension, you can adjust this back piece. The tension is still pretty good even at its loosest setting. And at its tightest setting, it's very tight, but it's still movable. Now, just grab your phone, drop it in, and adjust to your liking, left and right, or by sliding it up and down.